In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can install paid Microsoft Office 365 where you already have bought Office 365 license. But even if you have got perpetual version, for example, Office 2021, Office 2024, the process of installation remains same. Now let's talk about Microsoft 365 that lets you install single license in 5 different devices. And these devices can be random, it can be a desktop, a laptop, or a Macintosh, or an iPhone, or an Android. So let's see how we can install it. For that, simply open your browser. So here I have opened Microsoft browser. Now type office.com. And then here you can click on apps. Now click on install apps. Then here select Microsoft 365 apps. After clicking on it, this will take you to Microsoft account website where you will be in a subscription tab, and then the pop-up will appear which will ask you to choose your version. Now here we have got option to either go with online version or even we can create offline installer. So let's say if you want to install it in 10 different devices, then probably offline installation makes sense, especially in the case when we have limited internet bandwidth or data, or else I would recommend you to go with the default version option. Now click on install. Now this will download a very small Office setup. Simply run that setup and then here we go. Microsoft Office 365 is getting installed in your system. And there you go. We have successfully installed Microsoft 365 in our system. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.